what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Techno Tip. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you some cool ways how you can actually customize your Windows 10 computer. So let's check it out. Alright, so what's the first thing we can do is, obviously, with your computer, your desktop is gonna have a build-up of icons, and if you are someone who constantly likes to copy and paste or drag and drop files onto your desktop, it's going to get pretty messy. So there's a very simple way how we can actually hide these icons altogether without actually deleting them from the desktop. So go ahead and right click in a blank space anywhere on the desktop and come on to the option that says view. Simply unselect show desktop icons, and just like that it hides them, and to get them back repeat that to show them. But if you have it hidden like that, we can still go to our file explorer, this PC desktop, and we can access everything from here. Number 2 is we can actually go ahead and customize our Windows mouse. So to do that, we want to come down to our Windows Start button, click that, and on the side here, go ahead and click on Settings. So it's Mouse, and then click on Change Mouse Pointer Size. From here, we can go ahead and select multiple different colors and change the size of the mouse to your liking, which is another cool thing. Going back to also with our desktop icons is another thing I like to do is have a lot of my icons down here in the start thing here. So that way I have them organized in different things, so they're not cluttering up my desktop, so I can simply come down here and open them up when I want to. And we can change how this looks here too as well in the settings by going to start. No, it was, what was it? Personalize, start here. And we can go to use start full screen. So that way it kind of gives you a Windows 8 type vibe. We can click it and it shows everything like this. Or you can just leave it to its default, which is just having it like this. Another thing we can do is we can customize our taskbar down the bottom here by unpinning certain apps from our taskbar. And only leaving our most used ones on there and then putting the rest in here. So I would recommend having no more than 10 to 12, because otherwise it starts to get pretty messy. So yeah, but it's up to you, but just leave the ones that you use the most down the bottom is what I'd say. So if you right click on a blank area in the taskbar and select taskbar settings, we can go and actually change different things here. So we can we can turn this off. We can go to combine taskbar buttons, so we can put this to never, so it actually shows what's going on in the window itself when you're not in the app. So from out the app, if you're in Spotify, for example, you can know what song is playing always, like that. But I don't really like that. So I always kind of leave that to always hide labels, or you can put it to only hide them when taskbar is full, but I don't really like it like that because it takes up too much space. I'd rather leave it like this. Things like that. We can show these badges. So if you look down here on my OBS, it has a little recording badge. So if we go ahead and hide that, it's still recording, but it doesn't show the recording badge. So, you know. You can make your taskbar buttons to be very small, which I'm not a big fan of, just because I think that's a bit too small. Yeah. So you can also select automatically hide the taskbar, so it's just hidden until you come down, hover over it, and then it's there. But again, that's really up to you. I like to just leave it how it is. Changing our desktop icon size is pretty simple. we have to do is right click on a blank area, come to view. Then it has 3 options here, so we can put it to large icons, medium icons, which is the standard, and then small icons, which I like the medium because I think it's big but not too big, but then it's not too small, which is pretty good. Also, we can customize the color of our computer, so we can right click on the desktop in a blank space, come and navigate to personalize, come over to colors. Now, I actually have a custom color here set up, so if you come here, the default is light color, which is white, and then the dark, which is black. But you can come to custom as well, which is how I like to have it, because this is my personal preference, how I like it. So I like to have my default Windows mode, which is like my taskbar, my start, and everything else in dark color. But then for all my apps, I prefer to have it in the light mode. Or I could put it to dark and then have all my apps in a dark mode as well, rather than just having them on the light mode. But it's really to how you want to change it, or you can just put it to be all dark or all light. Anyways, guys, those are my few simple tips on how to customize your Windows 10 computer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with someone who needs their computer customized. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.